back to my channel. My name is Charmaine and I am going to be doing a well-requested video today. I'm so sorry, you guys. A few parts of this video is recorded upside down. I positioned my camera a different way and I didn't know it was recording upside down. So please excuse it, but you will be able to still see what's going on in the video. Thanks for watching. A lot of women in my group wanted me to do the Christmas ornaments, okay? So that's what we're going to do today. You'll see the ornaments in my thumbnails. So let's go over the supplies that we need. First, we need the polyacrylic, which is this right here. And I have the crystal clear finish, okay? You see it right here, it says crystal clear finish. And I put it inside this little container, little squeezy bottle from the Dollar Tree. I just put so it'd be easier for me to pour inside the ornaments. Here's the ornaments I purchased from the Dollar Tree, $1. Okay, these are the big ones, and I like these two. These are like and they're both plastic. Okay. Okay, I got this one from the Dollar Tree too. This is a flat one, and the flat ones are much better to use because you can put the your vinyl on much better when it's flat. So that's why I bought a lot of these. Okay. Also got a funnel from the Dollar Tree. Came with 3 in a pack for $1, just so I can be able to put the glitter inside the ornament. And then you need 2 cups, any type of cups, just enough so you can be able to hold the ornament in so it can drip out the oh, I'm sorry, I hear myself saying too many times. What is going on with me this morning? So it can be able to drip out the glitter and also drip out the polyacrylic. Okay, so let's get started. I got my purple mat from Amazon. I love it. It's a silicone mat. It cleans up really well. I love it. You know, purple is my favorite color. If y'all don't know by now, I get everything purple. I also have the vinyl strips. I bought one from Amazon. I got one free from Cricut. I use my Cricut Explore Air tool to cut these out. Okay. Then I also have my paper, contact paper that I got from Dollar Tree. And you'll see what I do with that in a minute. And you can't forget, I got to have glitter. I got this from Michael's. Of course, it comes with the Spin It. I like it because it's fine and it's a lot in here. So, I forgot the price of it, but I got it when it was on sale. I got the silver and I got some gold. Make sure when it don't matter where you get the glitter from, you get it from Walmart for real cheap. Just make sure it says fine glitter, okay? So let's get started. The first thing we need to do is get our cups in order because we're gonna need those to drip the polyacrylic. So let's first take these off the let's take this off of the ornaments. So snap them off and set them aside. Okay, let's do one. We're gonna do one at a time, y'all. I want to do the flat one first, just because I want to. So the first thing we need to do is go ahead and get the polyacrylic and pour it in here. So you're gonna need a little, you know, not too much, but just enough. So I just put this much in there if you can see it, and you might need more. So what you need to do is just basically wind it to get all around the whole bulb, the whole ornament. You keep on going until you see that you have the whole ornament. And go slow because you will get streaks. Okay. Be careful. Go over it again. Just keep on going until you get all the spots. And so I'm gonna just take this lid off and use this again instead of putting it in the cup. So when you swirl it around while you're pouring it out, just make sure it gets on that part right here. Okay. So let's just let this sit for a second or two so it can drain on out. Okay. Let this sit for a minute. A couple minutes, 3 minutes enough just so it can drain out. Good enough. So now that we let it drain, put the top back on here so it won't spill. Get out the way. You see you have like a white coating. Let's just set this in here gonna be, I get a napkin. Just make sure you keep a napkin just in case it drains. Okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and get my funnel. I'm trying to hold this up with the with that cup. Because you know those are awkward, so it's gonna be kind of awkward to use. So I'm gonna go ahead and pour the glitter in here like this inside the funnel. And you can use as much as you want because you can always pour it out, okay? So I just did that. Get some of this glitter out the funnel. And then what I need to do is try to keep it so it won't be so much glitter around my house. Just go ahead and just swirl it. Swirl it, swirl it. You can shake it if you want to. Some people shake it. Oh, this is some nice glitter. It might just need one coat with this. It's really sticking really good. Okay. So just keep on going around. People shake it. People swirl it around. It's up to you. It's your preference how you want to do it. Shake it like this. Close it up and shake it. Okay. Turn it around. Shake it. And you can see when you have some spots. Uh-oh. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and just bring my cup over here. And just shake it into the cup. Tap it. Get all the excess glitter out of there. I love it already. It's pretty. Look at that. But you can see I have a little spot right here that needs to have more glitter right there. And that's really it. But what I'm going to do is let this dry and we're going to go on to our next one so we can come back and we can put another coating in there, okay? Just want to show you how it looks. Beautiful, huh? Okay, so let's set this aside. Let's tip it this way so the glitter can come out if there's some extra glitter in there. Set that aside. Let's go do the next one. Okay, so let's go ahead and do the next one. And this one is going to be much easier because we have the cup that it sits on, okay? So let's go ahead and pour a little bit of this in here. Let me just show you how much I'm putting in there. Okay, this is bigger. Okay, so let's go ahead and swirl it around. Get the bottom first. And swirl it around. And I got glitter on the outside of it from that silver glitter, but it's okay. I hope y'all can hear me. I'm talking kind of low today. Haven't did a video in a while. Been busy with my family. So let me get some of these videos out. These much requested videos out because I've been getting a lot of those lately. So let me go ahead and get it done. Okay, let's see. So we're going to tip it a little bit. So I'm going to go ahead and get my, set this down and open this up again. And just make sure you get the rim. When you pour it out, get the rim, okay? And just go around one more time so it won't get any streaks. You don't want any streaks, but sometimes, most of the time, the glitter is covered if you have dark glitter. Okay, so now I'll make sure I'm going to twist it so it can get the mouth, the rim, as it's going, as it's coming out. Because you want to make sure that has glitter on it also. Okay. Looks good. So let this sit for about 3 minutes. Oh, that's good. It's gonna sit there. Good. Let this sit for 3 minutes and I'll be back. I'm back. I'll go ahead and take this out. Okay, see how it looks? Kind of milky film. You don't need that. You don't need a lot because it will streak. Put this to the side. Lay this here and get our glitter ready. Like I said, I'm using the gold this time for this one. Oh. Got my little funnel and just poured it on in there. This gold is dark, so you might not need 2 coats. I might not do 2 coats for that silver either. It's your preference. It's up to you. However you want to do it. Okay? So this time I'm going to shake this one, okay, y'all? Shake, shake, shake. Shake it. And swirl it. I know it looks funny on camera. I'm sorry. Let's get this up here. Shake, shake, shake. Yeah, we only need 1 coat of this. Okay, now I'm just swirl it around. Get it all around. Okay, looks kind of good to me, y'all. I'm gonna go ahead and pour it out into the cup. Or tap it, tap it. Make sure it has the edges. Yep, it does. And this ball was wider, so I really don't know what I do. You gotta keep on turning it and tapping it because it gets stuck. It's my first time doing this, y'all. But it's so easy. Watch a little couple videos. And I got it. I think that's good. Shake it, and if you have any more extra, you can just let it sit for a little while, let that dry for a little while. And let's go check on our other one. Wipe my hands off a little bit because I got glitter all over the place. This, if you use glitter, best believe your room, your craft room is going to be full of glitter. That's just a part of using glitter. This looks good, y'all. I don't even need to put any more on here just for this video. But if y'all wanted to put more in there, you just put more polyacrylic in here. And then you do the same thing if you have spots that's missing that you need to put more glitter in, okay? So, but this right here, it's gonna be good for me for this video. Okay? And don't put the top on there yet, let it dry. Because once you put the top in here and this little thing right here, it will scratch it. Okay, it scratched the glitter. Let's see that right here. These little scratchy things. It is scratchy glitter. So just let this dry for at least 24 hours. Well, 3 to 4 hours. I'll just let it dry overnight just to be safe. I don't have to do another coat for this, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and pour this glitter back into the container. And we're gonna put our vinyl on there real quick. Then we just clean this glitter up a little bit so we don't have glitter everywhere. Take a wet paper. The easiest way to clean glitter is to get a wet paper towel and just wipe it. Okay, I would wipe it over a bowl, but I ain't had that much on here, so this will be okay. First thing we need to do is clean this off. We get some alcohol. I always use the 91% alcohol. I spray that where I'm going to put the decal at so it can be better. So it can be clean, and it can also the contact paper work much better when you have alcohol, when the surface is clean, okay? I went ahead and did that. Lay it flat. I'm going to use this one. And basically, I just get my contact paper. Get my little thing right here. If you like the content of this video, please subscribe to my channel. I upload videos, like 2 to 3 videos a week, y'all. I'll be on it, okay? I love doing videos. I love doing tutorials and showing people what I know. Okay, so we have all kinds of tutorials. We have Cricut, Silhouette, Canva, all types of different tutorials that could teach you different things. Okay, see how I did that? Now it's time to go ahead and set it on here the way you want it. I'll just do it like this. A little sideways. And purple is my favorite color, so we had to do the first one in purple. Okay, and you just basically smooth it on. And to stop the wrinkles, I could have just cut this a little bit. I can still do it because it didn't stick. So I'm gonna cut this like this so it won't fold up. Okay, so that can lay flat. When you have awkward images like this, that's the best way to do it, to cut the vinyl, cut the tape, so it won't have the letters. The letters can lay flat. See right here, if I would have cut this right here, it would have been cool, but I still think I can go ahead and pull this off and let it. Yep. It worked out. I'm missing my little star. I'll put that on there later. Oh, my S is coming apart. We can't do that. If it don't stick, you just go back with it. Okay? Look at that. And I made this image 3x3, but now I know I can make it bigger. Okay? I'm just going to let this dry, and then I'll put the top on there later. See, that's beautiful. Isn't that cute? Okay, so I'm put that to the side. Let it drip, drip, dry. Let's do the gold one. And I'm going to use this for the gold one. Put the contact paper on there. The easiest way to do it is just do it, lay it flat and let it fall to the side. Okay? please visit my web. If you don't want to decorate, if you don't want to design your own images, your own product, please check out my website, www.charminggalboutique.com, where I personalize all your items for you. So if you don't want to personalize your own items, check me out and I personalize them for you. Also, I also sell sublimation blanks, so check me out. They sell fast, so you might want to get there soon so they won't sell out on you. But I always reorder, so you don't have to worry about that. Okay. So let me pull this off. The thin letters can be very tricky, so be careful so you won't lose any letters. This must be old. Yeah, this got to be old vinyl because it's really not coming off, y'all. So I'm going to just go ahead and figure it out, and I'll be back. Okay, I got it off, y'all. This is some old vinyl because this wasn't coming off the paper. So yes, I messed up a little bit right here with the Christmas, but it's okay. You know, just trying to show you how to do it. And it's kind of messed up, so what? I'm not about to be dealing with this. I can fix it, I think. Let's see. Okay, y'all, I'm back. It's not perfect, but y'all's will be perfect because y'all see mine. Basically, like I said, the vinyl had to be old because it wasn't sticking to my it wasn't sticking to the contact paper. But it's the end results. It's cute. I'm using this for myself, so it's gonna be okay. But you just basically just make sure you have your polyacrylic, you have funnels, glitter, and some vinyl to put on there. Clean your surface with alcohol, and you'll be all set. Okay, so I'm gonna just let this sit and dry for a little while, and I poured the excess glitter back into my little container. I will do that. But the only thing we let it dry is the polyacrylic, so we can better put the top back on, so it won't scrape. Okay, and then you have your little stuff for Christmas ornament. Thanks for watching. Have any questions, please comment below and let me know what you want to see. And please follow me on Instagram, Miss Charm Gal. Have a great day.